Just bought myself a T5 Samsung portable SD hard drive, 500 gigabyte for $98 here at Officeworks in Australia. Okay, let's get this installed. Okay, first of all, let's unmount the existing one. There we go. And now we can just unmount the one. So far I have used this SD card reader. It's a USB 3 SD card reader with a 64 gig. And 64 gig is plenty of space for the Sentry and dashcam viewer. So you don't need actually more. This is the smallest one you can get, the 500 gig. And I only bought it because I will partition it. So I will have 80% of the capacity for music, and the other 20% is for the dashcam viewer. Okay, and this is the whole hard drive, just to see the size. USB-C and USB-C to USB-C. This is for the Model Y. They have USB-C connections. So I need to use this one. Alright, so the hard drive is now plugged in. I've got a splitter cable down here plugged into the USB port of the car, because one side feeds my wireless charger and the other one is now for the SD card. Not for SSD card, for the hard drive. I'll clean this up later. It looks like a mess in here, but it will be fine. Believe me, it will be fine. Okay, so there's nothing showing up by default. I think we have to go into the settings, into, is it under autopilot? Display maybe? No. Driving autopilot, safety and security maybe. Sentry mode. Ah, here, format USB drive. I click this one, format, and well, the icon already shows up now, and that's probably everything we need to do. Alright, let's have a look. Launch viewer. No dashcam footage. Yeah, that's fair enough. Okay, turn this on, holding it, and then the red light comes on. Ah, what the hell? Why is it gone now? Okay. Unplug and plug in again. It doesn't recognize the it does not there's a blue light, but it does not show. Okay, let's try again. Unplug. Plug back in. Yep, blue light is showing. I can see it, but there's no icon here. What the heck? There's no icon. Safety, security. Okay, I'll try again. Format USB. Format. Ah, now it's working. I don't know why it didn't work before. So I've got the red dot now, and I can tap that. Let me just do a save footage. Saving dashcam footage. Should be only a few seconds anyway. Green. And we go in there again. Launch viewer. Yep, there's our footage, but still no timeline down here. And this is what I have claimed with Tesla again. That's the third time now I logged a ticket about this issue. I made a little video about it and uploaded it to YouTube and sent it to them and showed them, well, there's no way for me to actually delete this footage now or skip in the timeline or do anything else with it. I can select everything, but there is no timeline. And I need to actually reset the whole screen, holding both buttons for a couple of seconds to reset the computer. And then after restart it works again, but it's only for a couple of weeks and then it drops out again. See, when I launch the viewer now, I can see all the events in here, but I can watch them, but I cannot fast forward or see when the actual trigger event was, or I can't even delete them. So it will fill up my hard drive over time. And I have tested this USB in my mobile phone, the SD card, yeah. I've got this little card reader adapter here, which plugs into USB-C port of your mobile phone, and then you can watch the footage. And it works just fine in the mobile phone, so I can view all the events. So there's nothing wrong with the SD card or the adapter itself. So, and now even with the T5 hard drive inside, it's the same. So the only way to fix this is to reset the whole computer. Anyone else having this issue from time to time? But anyway, that's how you install a hard drive. Samsung, not sponsored by the way, Samsung portable SSD T5 500 gig for $98 here at Officeworks in Australia. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Okay, I'm just testing if Sentry mode works with the new hard drive. See if it triggers. No. There we go. I've turned off Bluetooth on my mobile phone. So I'm now inside the car, and of course it tells me there's a Sentry event. Once we turn off, and let's have a look. Yeah, placed the Sentry event, but still no timeline. So it's definitely not dependent on any storage device I had or something. I've tried other USB sticks as well, and it was the same. Yeah, it looks like this is a software bug again. I don't want to reset the car right now because the case is with Tesla at the moment, and they have logged into the car yesterday. It was actually funny. I was working in the off-grid garage next door, and the car was parked in the car park sleeping, and then the car woke up at 11:30 or something. I said, that's strange, why is it waking up? And later on I had a look on YouTube where I uploaded the video of this fault, and it had one view. So obviously they have logged into the car, woke it up and checked the log files and everything, and then watched the video as well on YouTube. But I haven't heard back from them, so that was on Friday. Well, it's weekend now, let's see what happens. Ah, here's the guy.